Hey, I'm Samir. Welcome to this short video in which I will introduce the n8n template I designed to create my own Pomodoro timer. So what is Pomodoro? Pomodoro is a method where you are cutting your working time in slots of 30 minutes. During 25 minutes, you have what we call deep work, when you are focused on a task and you do not anything else. And then after the 25 minutes ended, you have 5 minutes break where, for instance, for me, I stand up, I stretch, I drink some water, or because most of the time I'm using a screen, I just look outside to help my eyes rest a bit. The idea here is really to ensure that you are the most productive, but you take break when needed. And sometimes, for instance, when I don't follow this method, I can be tired just because I didn't take a break for hours. The problem is you can find many Pomodoro timers freely available. But when you start to want to record some data, for instance, to follow your productivity or to link a specific Pomodoro to a task, this is where you have to pay these solutions. Here, we can do everything with n8n, and the idea is for you to create a kind of a productivity system around it, where you can link that with Google Sheets, with emails, to make sure that you have a central source of information to track all the tasks that you have done in the last 30 days. And if you need to reassess your productivity or maybe improve your methodology, you can do that. So how it's working? So first, let me show you. Here you can see the workflow. So the first block is this node that initiates the workflow data. The idea here is that I'm going to use workflow data to record some flags or timestamps. And to do that, we need to initiate the data. Then later you will understand what we are going to record. And then it's starting with the Telegram trigger. So when you want to start, I don't know, like 4 sessions of Pomodoro, you just connect to the bot and you ask him to start. I will show you how it's working. And then the bot is checking if it's an actual command or if it's just a random word. And if it's a random word, it's sending you instruction message to tell you, okay, how the bot is working. And then if it's an actual command, let's say you start, it's starting basically the cycles of Pomodoro. So you have the deep work. Here I have put 25 minutes, but here I will just put 5 seconds just for the demonstration, so it's easier for the demo, so it's easier to follow. And then you have, after the 25 minutes are done, you have a short break. Then after the short break notification, you have the break. So we say, okay, you've worked 25 minutes, now it's time to take a break. You have a timer of 5 minutes. Here I will put 1 second just for the demo so you can see on Telegram how it looks like. After the break is done, you increment. So here you have a counter to count the number of cycles that you have. Because after 4 cycles, you want to take a long break. And here what we can see is that each time we have finished the session, you record that you have finished the session. So that will help you for the stats. And here I just record the timestamp, but later maybe you can record additional data. This template is for you to use it as a base. Then you can add more functionalities. And then you check if you are under or below 4 cycles, thanks to the incremental count. And the incremental count is here. So if you reach 4 cycles, then you have a notification of long break telling you, okay, now it's time to take a long break. So we are not going to record any Pomodoro. And then it's recording the long break and it's clearing all the variables. So how it's working? Let me show you here. So let's activate the workflow. Let's invoke the bot, Logic Green bot. So Logic Green is the name of my startup. I will just put some random words. Yeah, so that's not a valid command. And here you have the different commands. So I will start. As you can see, starting. So here you have the focus time, the break, then another focus time. And here what we're going to see is probably that at the end of the 4th cycle, we're going to have a long break notification. So it's pretty easy. So here, as you can see, it's very fast because it's for the demo. But you are going to receive notification each time you need to take a break or need to go back to work. And everything will be recorded in sheets that you can use to track how many Pomodoros I did Monday morning. And you can add here in this workflow additional data, for instance, to know which task you did. And then you can track your productivity in the last few days with a very easy user interface because it's just a Telegram bot. And the time that I was explaining We reached the 4 cycles, and now it's time for a long break. And when we say it's time for a long break, it's basically saying that it's the end of the working session. So I hope it's clear, and I hope you will use that to boost your productivity. Thank you.